Some safety interview, question and answer. What will be your action if someone informs you about accident? Ask him the location of the accident and the details. After reached the location, analyze the situation. If someone get hurt during accident, must be evacuated to the nearest medical center after giving first aid by a qualified first aider or doctor. Report to near fire station Bergen Fire Station with clear location and details of the accident. Report to client HSE specialist and concerned project manager. Investigate the accident and prepared an accident report with attached sketch and supporting documents and submit to client HSE department. If the accident is major like explosion, heavy fire, heavy gas leak, then seek help from nearest fire station Bergen Fire Station and follow up the evacuation procedure. What is the pyrophoric scale? Pyrophoric scale is actually iron sulfide, FeS2, which develops inside pipeline or piping system. It will readily ignite when exposed air oxygen, exothermic reaction e.g., heat releasing. Hydrogen sulfide, H2S, or any sulfur compound, when it is react with iron it will form pyrophoric iron sulfide. It is highly flammable even exposure to the air. The best way to handle is to douse it with water and keep it thoroughly wetted until safe disposal. In pipelines or equipments which carry gas or liquid and which contains hydrogen sulfide, H2S, pyrophoric scale or iron sulfide, FeS2, may be present. What is the MSDS? Material Safety Data Sheet is detailed information about the physical and chemical characteristics of the chemicals as well as the health, safety, fire, reactivity and environmental hazards and its precautions. It is provided by manufacturer. What is the JSA? JSA stand for Job Safety Analysis. It is to be completed before start of any new job. It clearly defines the specific job, equipments and tools to be used, specific hazards of the job and preventive measures to be taken. It is to be filled by supervisory staff and discussed with HSE department. It is to be signed by all concerned to confirm that everyone involved does know about the job and how to do it in safe way. What is EOD and what will be your responsibility if an EOD identified? EOD is stand for Explosive Ordnance Disposal. In case of an EOD identified or an unidentified object find, mark the area so as to relocate it. Keep away all workers from the particular area. If possible, detail a watchman and inform respective area fire station with clear details. Stop all activities at the location until cleared by KOC Ordnance Disposal Squad. Define Lockout Tagout, LOTO, system. Lockout tagout is a process to block the flow of energy from the source, and it will locked with lock system or padlock for not restore the energy, and these should be tag on it. The tag will be as warning, do not operate. Locks and tags will normally be removed only by the person who installed them whenever possible. Before lockout and tagout, make sure that a valid isolation permit being obtained. Define Chemical Hazard Identification Tag. Chemical Hazard Identification Tag or Hazardous Material Classification Tag is a warning tag to inform that how much hazardous is the material contain, example, fire, health, reactivity or specific hazard. What are the general precautions to be taken before and during using an abrasive wheel? Ensure the spindle speed doesn't exceed the maximum speed marked on the wheel. Ensure fit the wheel on the spindle freely. Tighten the spindle nut enough to hold the wheel in place without distorting the flange. Do not stand in front of the rotated wheel. Provide protective guard for a moving abrasive wheel and maintain proper alignment with the wheel. For any bench-mounted abrasive wheel, the wheel rest should be adjusted as close as practicable to the abrasive wheel, which shall be firmly secured. Before mounting, inspect closely for damage, perform sound test or ring test to ensure free from cracks defects. Don't adjust wheel while it is rotating and disconnect tools when changing the wheel. Don't use expired abrasive wheel and remove damaged crack wheel and tag it. Do not use. Must be used iron face protective device, goggles, face shield etc. Whether suitable respiratory protection also in case abrasive wheel generates dust. A sign shall be posted near all fixed abrasive wheels. What is safety precaution to be taken prior to start during the work at height? Why it is required? The work is properly planned, organized, appropriately supervised and carried out, ensuring safety of workers and integrity of worksite. The worksite, including its access as well exit, is safe with necessary protection against fall from height. Similarly, the workers to be deployed for work at height are trained and aware of potential hazards. PPE, appropriate fall arrest systems such as safety harness, safety nets etc. shall be used to protect the person from fall. The personnel working at height must use appropriate approved full body safety harness and attached to a secure anchorage. All the straps of safety harness shall be securely tightened to the body parts. The tools and equipment to be used at height must be kept properly secured to prevent its accidental fall or tripping hazard. The area in the vicinity of work at height should be barricaded and danger notice posted to alert the personnel. Man basket. Workers should keep all body parts inside the man basket while it is being lifted or positioned. Workers must wear a personal fall arrest system, and helmet with chin strap must be worn at all times. Sloping roofs. Employee worked in roofing activities on slope roofs with unprotected sides and edges 6 feet, 1.8 meters, or more above shall be used appropriate safety harness, safety net and guardrail or a combination of these.